Hello, welcome to Chumz app. Once you download the Chumz app from the Play Store or the App Store, it will appear on the list of your phone apps. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, you'll see a set of screens sharing what Chumz is all about. The first screen welcomes you to Chumz, and it tells you that Chumz is a community dedicated to achieving your personal financial freedom. We also highlight that with Chumz, you're able to create goals and save towards them. We also highlight with Chumz, you can come together as a group, whether as family and friends, and create shared goals and save towards them. You also get to chat within that same group feature. We also highlight something we call effortless saving, which means that based on how you're transacting on mobile money, the app will alert you and prompt you to save based on your spending habits. For example, if you spend in a pub or in a restaurant, you will get certain prompts asking you to save the balance you have. We highlight that money is saved with Chumz. One, we are authorized by Capital Markets Authority, and we also work with licensed fund managers to enable the funds you have put in to earn an interest. We also highlight that Chumz is going to have a financial literacy module, which basically will teach you about finance, so that even when you don't have money to save, you can see value in the app by learning about finance. After that, you'll see a screen asking you whether to sign up or log in. If you are new to the app, you click on sign up and then fill in a set of information that is requested, starting with your full names and your national ID, date of birth, phone number, and we also tell you to set in a PIN. This PIN is what you'll be using to log in into the app. If you don't have a national ID, you can reach out to our customer care and you'll be taken through the process of sharing your passport so that we can also create an account for you. Once that is done, now you can go ahead and log in into the app. In my case, I'm already registered, so I just click on login. I'll type in my phone number. And then I'll type in my PIN and log in. Once you log in, you'll see a pop-up asking you to allow Chumz to send and view SMS messages. This basically allows Chumz to guide you on when how to save based on your transaction behavior. So in that case, go ahead and allow that. After that, you'll see your home screen, which has what we call quick save. Quick save is a default goal that is created as soon as you register on the app. And with this, it enables you to save money that comes from the prompts and the nudges that come through the app. For example, if the app asks you whether you want to save after spending in a restaurant, and if you say yes, that money goes to quick save. The other thing quick save does is it enables you to save if you don't have a goal in mind. You can start by putting money on quick save. If you do have a goal in mind, you can go ahead and create on create goal or click on new goal at the top right. Let me go ahead and click on create goal. And through that, you can see all possible goals that you can create, from emergency goals, charity goals, World Cup, which are a form of challenges, essentially gamified way of saving, to goals associated with home, goals associated with shopping, to personal goals, and then goals associated with fun activities. In a scenario where the goal you have in mind is not listed here, you can click on other. And through that, you create your own name for the goal you want to create. In this case, I can say I'm going to save for a car. After that, I get to select whether I want to create a normal goal or a locked goal. A normal goal essentially means I can withdraw money anytime. And a locked goal means the money I put in here has a minimum amount of period that it needs to sit here before I can be able to withdraw it. And with that, locked goals essentially has a higher interest than a normal goal. I'll go ahead and create a normal goal, select a normal goal. I'll see a pop-up explaining more about a normal goal, what it's all about. And then I'll key in how much I want to save. In this case, I would say I want to save, say, for a goal for 750,000. You are at liberty to set how much you'd like to save, whether it's 10,000, 5,000, 100,000, or even 1 million. You can then go ahead and set when you'd like to hit this goal, whether it's this year or next year. In this case, I can set I'm working towards achieving my goal same time next year. After that, it will ask me whether I want to be saving daily, weekly, or monthly. If I select daily, I can put in how much I want to be saving. Say, for example, I can say I want to be saving 500. After that, I will add a reminder when I would like to be reminded. I can say I want this goal to repeat daily. Then I can select the time, maybe 6 p.m., 6:30 p.m. every day. And then I add that. After that, I click on continue button. I see a pop-up asking me to commit to save to this goal. And then I click on create goal. Once I do that, the goal I've created appears on my home page. You can see right under quick save, you have the goal I created, which is a goal towards saving for my car. How do you deposit into a personal goal? So if you want to do that, you can click on the goal itself. For example, the goal you are saving for the car. And once we go to the app, we can see the Save Now button. Alternatively, if you scroll down, you will also see another Save Now button under Actions. If I click on it, I can put in the money I want to save. In this case, I can just type in 100 shillings, click Continue. It tells me the fund manager where my money is going to, because at the end of the day, we also want the funds to earn an interest. And then I click on Deposit. Once I do that, I'll see a pop-up telling me to put in my PIN so that money can be deducted from my mobile money. And money is deposited automatically into the goal. So if I go back to my home account, I'll see that on my goal, we have now deposited 100 shillings. You can click on it and you can see the 100 shillings. We had set our goal as a normal goal. At the top, it asked me whether I want to lock my funds and I'll earn higher interest. And if I want to see the transaction I've just done, I can click on all transaction and it will show me when I deposited and how much I deposited. As you can see there. If you scroll at the top, you can see the app is asking me to commit a round down. As we had highlighted, with round down, the app is able to prompt you to save based on how you are transacting on your mobile money. In this case, my mobile money balance is 240 and the app is asking me whether I would like to save the 40 shillings. If I say yes by clicking on the app, I just click on continue, deposit, and then I'll also get a pop-up telling me to enter my PIN. Once I do that, the money is automatically deposited into what we highlighted is the quick save. And as you can see, under quick save, the 40 shillings has appeared. One, if you already have a personal goal, just click on that personal goal and scroll down to the withdraw button. Once you click on withdraw, you enter how much you want to withdraw. And key to note, for any amounts less than 1,000, we charge 20 shillings. And for any amount above 1,000, whether it's 5,000, 10,000 or 20,000, we charge 30 shillings. So with this, if I want to withdraw 100, I just put in 100. I click on continue. And then I click on withdraw. With that, I see a notification that I've clicked on, I've withdrawn my money, and the money takes up to 48 hours to be sent to you. This means if you withdraw today, you have to give it up to 48 hours to receive your money. If you have money on QuickSave, QuickSave doesn't have the withdraw option, but it allows you to transfer to any other goal. So what you do is you transfer to a personal goal which has the withdraw option, and then withdraw from that personal goal. In this case, I'll transfer the 40 shillings to the personal goal I created, the full 40 shillings. I say transfer. And now you can see the money has moved from the QuickSave to the car goal. And from here now, I can be able to withdraw using the withdraw button. I'm going to take you through the Chumz Group feature. With the Chumz Group feature, you can save as 2 or more people up to a maximum of 15 people. How do you create a Chumz Group goal? 1, on the app, on the home page, you'll see an option to view groups. If you click on that, it takes you through the journey of creating a new group. Or at the very bottom, next to the goal button and the save now button, you can see a group icon. If you click on that, it will also take you through the journey of creating group goals. I'll go ahead and click view groups. If I click on that, 1, for new users, it gives you an option to view a video of how the group feature works. And then from there, at the very top right, you see the option of creating a new group. If you click on it, it takes you through a journey of how you create Chumz Group. 1, it tells you with Chumz Group, you can save together with family and friends. 2, you can create as many goals as you want under one group. 3, you can chat within that group among the members of the group. After that, it gives you a screen asking you what name do you want to give to your group. In this case, we can say this group, the group name is Marafiki. It's a group of friends. And then you can say what's the description. It will be contributions for friends' welfare. Once that is done, I can see a highlight telling me the maximum number of members and the number of people we can put as admins of that group. I'll highlight about admins as we progress. After that, I'll click on continue. The next screen, it tells me to add members to my group. So in this case, I'll select whom I need to add to be part of the group. I'll click on that. It will ask me to allow access to my contacts. Again, for you to add members to the group, you need to select them from your contact list. So with that, I allow this message. And then now I can search for all the members I want to add. I can add the first member from here. If it's not refreshing, you can refresh. You can retry again. Then you can see the names appearing. So I've searched for the first contact. I select that. I can add another member to appear in the group. I highlight that, and I can also add another member. Then I select that. I click on next. Once I do that, an invite is sent to all these members I've highlighted, and I click on next. Once that is done, the app tells me now I need to create a goal under that group. In this case, I can select the money we are contributing will be insurance money for our group. I can select that. Call it insurance for the friends. And then highlight whether I want this to be a normal goal or a locked goal. I can select it to be a locked goal. And from there, how much would I like to lock, or how much I would like to put in that locked goal? I can say I want to put in 50,000. How long would we like to lock our savings? We can select this and say 6 months. And it also tells me when the 6 months will end. After that, I'll add a reminder under this particular goal. I can say I want it to repeat daily or weekly. I can select weekly, every Monday at 5 p.m. And then I click on add. After that, I'll click on continue. It says we Marafiki have committed to save and lock 50,000 for our insurance for friends, and we'll be saving for 6 months. And then after that, I click on create goal. Once that is done, you can see the group has been created. And if I click on it, we can see the goal we have created under that group. If you click on activity, you can see anything pertaining to that group that is happening, whether it's people who have been added, when the new group was created, and if there are deposits, you'll also be seeing notifications here. The other bit is on the chat. So under chat here, you can chat with all the members of the group the same way you chat on WhatsApp. And every time you chat, notifications are sent to the group members. And then on the far right, if I click on members, I'm able to see all the members of this group. And because I'm the one who created the group, I can be able to make the other members an admin. For example, if I highlight on favor, I can click on that and choose to make him admin. What does being an admin mean? It basically means the member can now be asking for withdrawal of funds, and he can be adding members or removing members. So with that, here's the summary. You can see all the members of that group. You can chat. As you can see, one member is chatting here. Just the same way you chat on WhatsApp. As members, you can chat. You can see all activities happening on that group from when the members were added. And you can see goals under that group. It's key to note that under one group, you can add as many goals as you would like. On the far right, you can see the new goal button, which allows you to add any other goal that you want to add under that group. To deposit money on the group goal, you just need to click on the group. You'll see the Save Now button at the top. And if you scroll down under Actions, you'll see another option of Saving Now. If you click on it, you see how much you would like to save. In this case, you can list 100 or 200. Click on continue, and then you click on deposit. Once you do that, you'll see a pop-up where now you enter the PIN and deposit the money. To verify your account, you'll get this pop-up. All you need to do is now key in the message you have received. In this case, mine is 2216. And click on verify. If you get an invalid verification code, you can request for a resend of another verification code, and then you receive an SMS with a new verification code. In that case, enter the new verification code. In our case, it's 1337, and click on the verify screen. In that case, the account is verified.